In the world of laptops, mechanical keyboards are making waves. But why do some laptops feature these tactile wonders? Let's dive into the reasons behind this trend. First off, mechanical keyboards are known for their distinct feel. Unlike traditional laptop keyboards, which often use rubber dome switches, mechanical keyboards utilize individual mechanical switches for each key. This design provides a satisfying tactile feedback that many users crave. Typing on a mechanical keyboard feels more responsive, which can enhance the overall typing experience. Another reason for the rise of mechanical keyboards in laptops is durability. Mechanical switches are built to last, often rated for tens of millions of keystrokes. This longevity means that users can expect their keyboards to withstand heavy use without losing performance. For professionals who type extensively, this durability is a game changer. Let's not forget about customization. Mechanical keyboards often come with customizable keycaps and switches, allowing users to tailor their typing experience to their preferences. Some users prefer a clicky sound, while others might opt for a quieter, smoother feel. This level of personalization is appealing to gamers and typists alike, making mechanical keyboards a popular choice. Speaking of gamers, mechanical keyboards are a favorite in the gaming community. The precision and responsiveness of mechanical switches can provide a competitive edge in fast-paced games. Many gaming laptops now come equipped with mechanical keyboards to cater to this audience, ensuring that every keystroke counts during intense gameplay. Additionally, the aesthetic appeal of mechanical keyboards cannot be overlooked. Many models feature RGB lighting and stylish designs, adding a touch of flair to any laptop setup. This visual aspect is particularly attractive to younger users and gamers who want their devices to stand out. However, it's essential to consider the trade-offs. Mechanical keyboards tend to be bulkier than their membrane counterparts, which can impact the overall slimness of a laptop. Manufacturers must balance the desire for a mechanical keyboard with the need for portability. This is why not all laptops feature mechanical keyboards. It's a design choice that depends on the target audience. Battery life is another factor. Mechanical keyboards typically consume more power than traditional keyboards, which can lead to shorter battery life in laptops. For users who prioritize portability and battery longevity, this might be a deal-breaker. Manufacturers must weigh the benefits of mechanical keyboards against the potential drawbacks in battery performance.